Well, I'm Rick Jackson, life insurance specialist, and I was number 10 on this list last time I did this. And I'm thrilled to say I'm now number 17. Great job growing the group, everyone. Um, I specialize in permanent life insurance. For those of you who don't know what that means, these are the three things I'd like you to remember about it. Um, Permanent life insurance means that death benefit never expires. And the older you get in life, you get to spend the death benefit tax-free while you're alive. There are 350 life insurance companies in the US. There are only 7 that offer these next 2 features, and I only sell permanent life insurance from those 7 companies. Second one is a maximum efficiency contract. Maximum efficiency contract, the insurance company lets you give them the maximum amount of money that the IRS allows you to put into a life insurance contract without making it a taxable event. Why do most companies not offer this? Well, if you have a lot of money in your life insurance contract, you're definitely going to get the death benefit plus the returns on your money. And most life insurance companies don't want to pay you a death benefit. In fact, 98% of the term policies out there never pay because they are designed to expire before you die. Permanent life insurance is definitely paying the death benefit. And your money grows inside the contracts tax-free. So just do simple math. Anyone that buys a permanent life insurance policy is probably going to make 300 to 500% on their money tax-free if they buy it between the age of 40 and 50. Where on a term policy, you'll probably make payments for 10 or 20 years and never get a dime. So I think permanent's a much better deal. And I only sell permanent that has direct scoring. What does direct scoring mean? The simplest way I know how to explain it is, can't seem to get this to go down. I guess I got to go back. Oh, all right, we'll figure it out. Direct scoring is when you take money out of the policy, you can do it one of 3 ways. The smartest way to do it is to take a loan against the policy because the policy will grow faster than the cost of the interest on the loan. If you take direct distributions or if you cancel the contract, you may have tax implications, but there's no tax implications for the loan. Direct scoring means that when you take the money out, it stops making money. It's like a 401k. You take a 401k loan, the market goes up, you didn't make any money on the money you took out of the account. Indirect scoring means the policy's returns are never impacted by a loan because they don't give you your money back. They go out and get a line of credit secured by the death benefit. This is a very expensive feature. Insurance companies make a lot of money on insurance loans. If they go out and get you a line of credit and don't touch your investment, they don't really make much money at all. And only the mutual companies offer that. So with indirect scoring, your money's making money 2 ways at once, the way you took the money out of the policy and the money in the policy. So I only sell permanent life insurance that has indirect scoring. The second page of this, okay, here we go, I figured it out. If no one objects, I'd like to send this 2-pager out to all of you. These are the people I target. I'd say 90 to 95% of my clients fit one of these 4 profiles. I got involved about 8 years ago in learning how financial aid works, and I wound up getting educated in a specialist program. And the reason I got so interested in it was that there are 4 types of assets that financial aid formulas do not hold against you. The other 3 are retirement assets that have huge tax penalties if you touch them before you're 60. And they also have negative implications on your financial aid if you take it out of the account. Retirement assets are only not counted against you on financial aid if you're not touching them. If you're taking money out of them, they do count it against you. And I can't tell you how many divorce guys I've met that have taken money out of their IRA to pay their alimony, and they're unemployed, and they're thinking they should get a lot of financial aid, but they got none because they have over $500,000 in their IRA that would not have been counted against them if they had not touched it. But by touching it, they do, and they disqualify themselves. Life insurance you can touch while your child's in school. There's no tax implication. There's no impact on the financial aid formula. Second one I look for are baby boomers. Permanent life insurance is a very powerful tool in your retirement, and it allows you to generate a higher level of income on your assets. That's a whole nother presentation, so I'll hold that for another day. But that is the bulk of my income. I get about 2 baby boomers a month where I show them how to make their assets work harder for them and pay less taxes. And a lot of them thought they wouldn't be able to retire until they sat down with me. The third one I target are commercial real estate investors because they understand leverage. And these contracts can be used as collateral on down payments for properties. Now, normally a commercial building requires a 25% down payment. But with these contracts, you can borrow, you can buy property with 100% financing, and which gives you more tax deductions, and the money in your policy still grows. Where if you just put the down payment in the building, it's not growing. The building's going to go up or down in value whether you have a down payment or not. So 6 of my 12 largest clients have large commercial real estate portfolios. I wish more of them were in Fairfield County. Only 2 of them are. The other 4 are in Jersey and Manhattan. But I do sometimes get some of you in front of those 2. And finally, any business owner that has a lot of capital that's needed to run their business, well, with permanent life insurance, you can put the money in the life insurance and then use that collateral to fund your business. Well, that has a lot of advantages because the money is going to keep growing in the life insurance. And the life insurance is protected from bankruptcy. As a lot of us out there may know, the majority of small businesses wind up in bankruptcy at some point. It's only the successful that avoid it. So it's a nice way to make sure not all the money goes down with the ship, if that should happen to you. And they're also a powerful tool in transferring businesses because you can sell your business to someone and they can buy a life insurance policy on you. So if they die, you get paid off, but they'll eventually pay enough money into it so that you'll get the amount of money you were looking for. So you're protected both ways. So those are who I try to target to. I have a second one I'm going to try to go through quickly to tell you about a pretty cool product.
Rick, we got about 2 minutes, okay?
Okay. Let's see. So I think this is the right one. Who is Rick Jackson? A lot of you are new out there. That's my professional history. You can get the long version on my LinkedIn. I come from a large Irish tribe of drunks. We do enjoy our cocktails. My dad and his college roommate, when they got out of World War II, married my mother and her sister. And between the 4 of them, they had 10 kids. And those 10 kids, 8 of them have produced 30 nieces and nephews. And those 30 nieces and nephews have had another 18 babies since. So all the Flahertys get together at Thanksgiving, and there's 79 of us. A lot of them are in Fairfield County, which is the reason why I think I probably get a lot of business in Fairfield County. And my hobbies all involve booze. So anything that's fun to do with booze, I'm in. Got to add bocce ball. Bocce ball is a good thing to do with cocktails, but I like golf, skiing, Yankee games, poker. And I get together with my college buddies a couple of times, I'd say 3 or 5 times every 5 years, to go see a rugby match. We're going to Dublin to see the 5 Nations final in March. I'm looking forward to that. And I'll sign off there rather than bore you with life insurance product information. I like to keep life insurance fun. I had one client said to me, "You actually make life insurance fun." So I hope that wasn't too tough to get through because I know it's a horrible, horrible topic. But one thing I think makes me very different than most people in the industry is the industry trains you to harass your friends and family and sell them death benefit. I do neither. I built my business through internet leads and networking, and I do not sell death benefit. You're never going to see me try to guilt some guy into buying life insurance while he's next to his wife, saying you should protect her. I believe in life insurance, but I think the permanent life insurance is a great financial tool, and we only get term if you do need the protection, but I don't push it. That's it. That's all I got.
All right, Rick, thank you. We've got time for a question. If anybody has one, please jump in.
Yeah, not a lot of exciting questions on life insurance.
Rick, one question. Is there an income level that's better for this type of policy, or does it go across all income levels?
Well, that's an interesting question. I don't think there is, but this product has been the secret of the wealthy and the banks for decades. 99% of the banks in America own permanent life insurance, and 70% of the 10% richest people in America own permanent life insurance. But the US population in general, 90% of the insurance owners own term. And I just think most of them don't understand the difference. Most of the life insurance companies don't even offer it. So half the agents out there don't even bring it up. But I think it works for everyone. I mean, I just sold a policy to a 24-year-old that works at Google. He totally got it. He's not married, doesn't have kids, but he understood all the tax benefits, and he might have kids and he might have a wife later. He'd rather make 500% on his money than buy term and never make any money on it.
All right, Rick, thank you very much. You do make life insurance and all things related interesting. And guys, you've got it right in front of you. Rick, if you'll send that over to me, I will include it as an attachment on the update next week. And look for people on Rick's page that he outlined for, and let's drum up some business for him. Thank you, Rick. Good job.